Hello, I'm Jim Roddy of the Retail Solution Providers Association. Welcome you to this 2-minute preview of RSPA Inspire, the Retail IT Channel's premier executive leadership conference. Inspire 2020 is scheduled for January 26th through 29th at the beautiful Grand Hyatt Baha Mar in Nassau, the Bahamas. Day 3 of Inspire will focus on the Retail IT Channel's biggest challenges, including a panel titled Channel Acquisitions, a look behind the scenes and into the future. That panel features Lance Bell, the president and CEO of RSPA member ServingIntel, who's joining us today. Lance describes ServingIntel as an MSSP, a managed services and software provider. Hey, great to see you again, Lance.
Hey, Jim. Good to see you.
Great. So 2 quick questions for you. First start, can you give our audience a background? What's your ServingIntel's acquisition strategy? What's been your history historically for making acquisitions?
From a history standpoint, we have executed and completed 2 acquisitions, one on the West Coast side about 3 years ago, and the other on the East Coast side of the States about a year ago. And 2 down, and we have 2 in process right now.
Got it. Okay, so it sounds like you're still in buy mode versus sell mode. There are obviously some resellers who are in sell mode. Can you talk about why are you in buy mode? And then what do you think of the acquisition future for our industry? Because everyone who's listening to this in the retail IT channel is going to be impacted. What do you think's around the corner from that standpoint?
I think from a consolidation standpoint, we're having people that are coming to us asking us to purchase a combination of both credit card and support residuals. So it's an asset purchase. It's not the purchase of another company. And there are a lot of people primarily on the smaller side of the VAR continuum that are looking to exit the business, whether it's by age, it's their time to exit the industry, or they're looking to do something different. We've seen both scenarios. But something is prompting the more smaller mom and pop shops to want to leave. And I guess we've got a reputation of making some acquisitions. They're coming to us and we're in the negotiations. Where I see this thing going, I see this continuing. As I look across either Retail Now or Inspire, there's a generation of our industry that's exiting. I don't see a lot of youth. There's some, but I don't see a lot of youth coming into our industry to replace. I see a lot of big conglomerations, whether it's Toast or Revel, larger corporations that are coming into the mix. That's sad because that removes the people or the relationship aspect of our business, which I believe is critical for long-term success. So more acquisitions, more people exiting, and more opportunities.
So do you see the pace accelerating then? You think in 2020 and beyond, we're going to see even more reseller acquisitions that maybe we've seen in 2018, 2019?
Without question. And while I'm still optimistic on the economy, if there's any type of bump in the next 12 to 18 months, I expect that'll accelerate.
Got it. Great. Well, our 2 minutes is up, but you don't have to stop here. For more insights on channel acquisitions, attend RSPA Inspire, the Retail IT Channel's premier executive leadership conference, January 26th through 29th in the Bahamas. But you got to make sure you register today because seating for the conference and space in the RSPA hotel room block are limited, and Inspire 2019 drew a record number of attendees. Register today at gorspa.org. Again, that's gorspa.org. Thanks for being with us today, Lance. Thanks to you for watching, and we'll see you in Nassau.
Thank you, Jim.